is the gap between academia and industry. So this is a very, we can say, big gap. Why I am saying the big gap? Because the persons who is already in greater institute like IIT, NIT and all, they are still all, I am talking about all, they definitely get the higher packages, get the higher opportunity, but many of them students which are not in good colleges or from the out from the mainstream, how they will get the jobs? And what kind of activity they did so that they get the right chances, because industry is just like us, very selective, and they focus only the selective skills. Some of the, as Sarojini sir say like that, you don't have to focus on a lot of skills. Only one or two skills of a specific domain can get you chance to take a right placement, because what we are doing, why we are studying, our main focus is to take the job or take the right job, because our interests are different. We take admission in the same, we can say branch. I think all of you are from the CS branch, CSE branch, but we all are different, because every child, every boy, every girl has its own identity and own interests. Even if we are in the same branch, but we are very different from each other. Our skill set will be definitely different. Thinking, analytical thinking, definitely the process. So approaching any problem, that kind of thing will also be different, because there are a lot of problems in industry. Because one main agenda of the industry to solve the problem of the society. There are a lot of the problem. Problem we have to first solve. Then we will train our model to solve that problem, to solve the problem, so that it can be helpful for all. Because main thing is that we have to scale the technology. If you make something, it is not able to scale, so what is the use of it? How you are going to earn the money in future, and how you are going to start your own startup and own business? Well, startup and business has a motive. That motive is that you have to scale the things. Many of the people's large scale can get the benefits of your technology. If your technology are not able to sustain in the market, then what is the use of it? So main focus is market is very big, and you have to choose your target audience. If your target audience is not right and you are working in another domain, there is nonsense. So our main focus first to skill ourselves. Give some time as per our interest, because artificial intelligence is not a thing in which you can do all the things, because it's not just like a we can say salt. We pour on the vegetable and we get that thing chatkara like that. No, it's not like that. It has a variants. That variants as per your interest, where you are going that AI as per your interest in that field. Suppose I am from the background of drone of that, and definitely I will use that AI in my drone. Okay. Suppose you are a businessman in future, and you know artificial intelligence is going to very benefits to all the customers. So that's why you will use that AI in your business. How I can scale? How can my reach to lot of people all over the India, all over the world? Because the world is fully global, and we can send our parcel all over the world. We can get the things from all over the world. So this is not the scenario of one hometown or one place, or we can say one city. In this epoch, in this era, we are talking about globally. If we are not getting the things globally, because artificial intelligence, or we can say the things which are connected to the technology, are not generated in India. All over the people, they are working on the technology, and we are getting that exposure, different places all over the world. So we have to get connected with the technology. This is the scenario. Just you see the video. One robot, that name is Iris, invented in Kerala by one company, and it is delivering the sessions to the student. But this is the starting. So we are get inspired. Even our one Atal, you know ATL labs, Atal labs. That is the incubation labs. It started in schools, and schools are giving exposure to the students, school students, so that when they get admission in colleges, they get higher opportunity. They get have a higher understanding towards the technology. So this is the motto of Atal Labs. So in Atal Labs, that Iris robot is prepared by some student with the help of some mentors. So this is a very good thing. Our India is also going very drastically, changes are going on around us. Technology increasing very fastly, and whenever mobile phone is not existence, and this is not the so much long time before 15 to 16 years that come in existence, or within 15 to 16 years, what changes you see in front of your eye, you are able to see. We are fully connected to the internet. We don't have any deficiency of the things, any information, because this is an epoch of infotech. Information comes very fastly, and we are grasping that, and we are not able to think what is wrong, what is right. So artificial intelligence, people think about that they are getting the job, they will replace the person. Yes, they are getting replace the person. But thing is that where you are going to use that artificial intelligence. Suppose the persons which are like an artist, now artificial intelligence can prepare, able to prepare a very beautiful images, and you are able to see on the Facebook and social media platform, very fine, very nice images can be created through artificial intelligence. You just put some input that things. Just I want to make a elephant in the background of night scene or day scene as per your requirement. It will generate a image. That is called generative AI. So whatever the data input you are giving to the some software which are online available, it will generate the things for you. It can generate the text, it can generate the image, it can generate the videos. So what about the artist when they are taking for their earnings, and they are actually working hard to make that and taking a lot of time to create that image, and that image can be created within the seconds. So jobs are going, but we have to think about the futures. If we are only focusing on the present skills, that definitely we are going to defeat in future. So main focus is that you have to think like that, like sir says, sir. What are the things we have to discuss with our friend or with our colleagues or with our teachers or our mentors? How AI works? Definitely, we have to think like that. What are the needed and how the neural networks works and how the things going to be changed? Because only we just think like that. I am to do some AI. It is not going to work for you. You have to think like that. In which sector I am going to use in future? What is the demand? Because this is in this epoch, persons are lot of even all over the India are very crazy about the drones. Why? Because drone is all over the sector. Even photography, lightning shows, mapping the